Fourth problem. The height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. The area of the parallelogram is 676 square centimeter. Find height and the base. For this problem, height and base both are unknown. So the clue is given, that is height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. So h is equal to 1/4 into base. Parallelogram area is 676. So using these two, we have to find height of the parallelogram and base of the parallelogram. For this question, base and height both are unknown. So we have to consider, let the base of the parallelogram be b centimeter. Base is denoted by b. So we have to take base as b centimeter. Given height is equal to 1/4 times of a base. So that is 1/4 into b. Base is b. We assumed as b centimeter. So area is given, area of the parallelogram is given 676 square centimeter. So area of the parallelogram formula we know, that is b into h square units. That is a given area is 676. Now the values you have to substitute here. Base is unknown, we consider as a b into h is 1/4 into b, that is b/4, that is equal to b/4 centimeter. So that is b/4 equal to 676. So now for it is these two, you have to make multiple b into b. So that is b square. For this, denominator 4 moves to right hand side. It's become a multiplication. So 676 into 4. So b square equal to, you have to make multiple these two. 6 4s are 24, balance 2. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30, balance 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. So b square equal to 2704. So now we want to find the b value. B value, how you have to find? Therefore b equal to square root of 2704. It is a new topic for you, square root. So that is b, this name is a square root of 2704. For about this detail you have to learn in 8th standard, square root. So now just you have to listen for this problem. For what other things need, you have to listen now. 2704. For you have to use a prime factorization method. This also you have to study in 8th standard. For just you have to listen, I am going to teach. Listen carefully. For that is, first you have to use a prime numbers. You have to use the divisor, you have to select as a prime numbers. Prime numbers means, you know, the number divided by 1 and itself. So 1 and itself means, for here 2, for prime number just you have to revise 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. So that means for here it is end with 4, end with even number. So prime number 2 is possible. 1, 2 is, it is like a normal division. The way of writing only different. 1, 2 is 2. Then this 7 has how many times? 2. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. That one you write in front of this number. For that is 10. For 0 is there, you know, this balance right in front of this number. So this number is 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 table is possible. For it is 13. For it is small number, so you have to consider these two. 13. 6 2s are 12. This balance one you have to write here. So that is 15. In front of the next digit you have to write the balance. So that is 15. New number is 15. So 15 has how many times? 2. 7 2s are 14. Then again balance 1. So that is 12. So that is 6 2s are 12. Next again 2 table. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. Balance 1 is there. So next number is 16. So 8 2s are 16. Now again 2 table. For 1 2 is 2, balance, for here balance 1 is there. So next number is 13. So that is 6 2s are 12, balance 1. So next number is 18. So that is 9 2s are 18. Then 169 is a square number. 13th table is possible. 1 time is 13, balance 3. So that is 39. 3 times 39. Then again 13 table 1 time. Now square root you have to make a 2 number, same number you have to make a group. So these two make a group, these two make a group, these two make a, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times. So that is for a 2 square into 2 square into 13 square. For it is 2 square 2 square 13 square. So that is equal to the square root and square become cancel. For square root and square become cancel. How square root and square become cancel? For this root value is whole power 1 by 2. This root value is whole power 1 by 2. So that means for here, for suppose you have a root 2 square. So that means for 2 square the whole power 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So it's become 2. So square and square root become cancel. So when you have a square number inside the square root, it's become cancel, just it comes outside without square. So that is 2 into 2 into 13. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into 13, 52 centimeter. Base is 52 centimeter. For a height is given as 1 by 4 into b. Height is given as 1/4 into b. So that is 52 by 4. 1 time it is 13 times. So that is 13 centimeter. Fifth question, area of the rhombus is 576 square centimeter and length of one of the diagonal is half of the length of the other diagonal. Then find the length of the diagonals. For this question, area of the rhombus given. One diagonal is denoted by D. For two diagonals are there, so we have to consider as D1 and D2. For one diagonal is half of the length of the other diagonal. For it is a clue for us. For both are unknown, D1 and D2 both are unknown. So we want to find D1 and D2. For this question, let one diagonal of the rhombus is D1 centimeter. For both are unknown, so we have to consider one diagonal equal to D1 centimeter. Given the other diagonal is D2. For in the question given, that is half of the one diagonal. So that is 1 by 2 into D1 centimeter. So area of the rhombus formula we know half into D1 into D2 square units. Also given area of the rhombus is equal to 576 square centimeter. First you write this formula, area of the square formula. You have to compare the area formula and given area. So half into D1 into D2 equal to 576 centimeter. So that is for half into D1, the same we assumed as D1. D2 is given half into D1. So that is equal to 576. For D1 into D1, D1 square. For this both denominator 2 you transpose to right hand side. It's become a multiplication. So 576 into 2 into 2. So now you have to find the prime factorization for 576. It is already these two are a prime number. So you have to find prime factorization for this 576 like a previous problem. For that is, for you have to use only prime number. That 576 first 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1, that is 17. 8 2s are 16. Balance 1. 8 2s are 16. Again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 table. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. So that means it is a 12. 6 2s are 12. 2. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. So that is 8 2s are 16. Then again 2 table, that is 9 2s are 18. Now for which prime number is possible? 3 is possible. For 9 not exactly divisible by 2. So it is 3 3s are 9. So again 3 table, 1 3 is 3. So now for already I said you make it is a square. We want to find the square root. So you make a group for 2 numbers, same numbers. These two are group, these two are group. Next these two are one group. So that is for this D1 square equal to this 576 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now for already we make it as a group, that is 2 numbers make a group. 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square. This 2 into 2 already here. So now for D1 equal to square root of, what is this name? Square root of. So that is 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. What you have just taken, right? For already I gave explanation in the previous problem. Square and square root become cancel. For you have a square number inside the square root, it's become cancel. Square and square root cancel. For then the value 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. For when this number comes outside from the root, it's become without square 2. So now you have to make multiple. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 2, 48 centimeter. For D2 equal to 1 by 2 into D1. So the D1 equal to 48. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So D2 equal to 24 centimeter. One diagonal is 48 centimeter, other diagonal equal to 24 centimeter. Now sixth question. A ground in the form of an isosceles trapezium with parallel sides measuring 42 meter and 36 meter long. The distance between the parallel side is 30 meter. Find cost of the level. It is the rate of leveling. It is the rate of rupees 135 per square centimeter. For in this isosceles trapezium, the parallel side is mentioned as A and B. So for it is A, it is B. For distance between the parallel side is denoted by H, that is the height, 30 meter. So trapezium formula you know, that is half into H into A plus B square units. Using that formula, first you have to find the area, then the area multiple with this amount 135. Given A equal to 42 meter, B equal to 36 meter, that is the parallel sides. So one we got to consider as A, another one consider as B. Height between the parallel side is 30 meter. Area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square units. So that is half into height is 30 meter. 30 into, for a parallel sides A plus B, that is 42 plus 36. Half into 30, 42 plus 36 is 78. For cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel with 30 or 78. For 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 1 18, 9 2s are 18. So 30 into 39. For their product value is 1170 square meter. For also given cost of leveling 1 meter square equal to rupees 135. So we found the area is 1170 square meter. So that is for square meter or meter square, both are same meaning. Therefore the cost of leveling 1170 meter square is equal to rupees this area multiple with the amount, that is 135. So you have to make a normal multiplication. You get 1,57,950. So the cost of leveling 1170 meter square equal to 1,57,950.